In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Metapixel to Kit.com. We'll do this by setting up a simple automation in Zapier that connects your Meta ecosystem with Kit, so your tracking and content can work together smoothly. Before you start, make sure you're signed into Zapier, have access to the Facebook page you manage within Meta, and can sign into your Kit account. Keep any credentials handy and only authenticate through official login windows. Begin on the Zapier home screen. From here, choose Create to start a new workflow, then select Zaps so you're building a standard automation. You'll see a two-part layout, a trigger on the left that starts the automation, and an action on the right that runs when the trigger fires. We'll set Facebook as the trigger and Kit as the action. Open the trigger panel first. In the app search box, type Facebook and choose Facebook Pages. This lets Zapier listen for activity from your page, which is useful for coordinating your meta presence with Kit. Next, pick a trigger event that aligns with what you want to track or react to. For example, something that fires when there's new activity on your page. Zapier will prompt you to connect your Facebook account. Follow the secure sign-in flow, grant the requested permissions, and be sure to select the specific page you want to use. Completing this setup ensures Zapier can read only the data you've authorized, and it helps avoid mismatches if you manage multiple pages. With the trigger ready, move to the action side. Choose Action, then search for and select Kit. Now pick the action event that best matches what you want to happen in Kit when your Facebook trigger occurs. Zapier will ask you to connect your Kit account. Sign in through the official window, authorize access, and finish the guided setup. You'll see fields to configure how information should flow from Facebook pages into Kit, map the options that make sense for your workflow, and confirm any required fields are filled. As you complete each panel, keep an eye on the app selections and event choices so they match your goals. If you don't see the right page or account, refresh the connection and reselect it. Give your workflow a clear name so you can find it later, and keep consistent naming for accounts and pages to avoid confusion down the line. That's it. You've created a clean bridge between your Meta environment and Kit through Zapier, laying the groundwork for reliable tracking and coordination on Kit.com without exposing any sensitive information.